Good.
Okay, the next cardio machine that I'm going to cover is the AMT. That's the Adaptive Motion Trainer. It's called that because it adapts to what you want to do to it. Whether you are in a stair climber mode, more of a ski mode, or a bounding mode, it will adapt to what you're doing, and I'll show in a second. Now, this type of computer screen is a little bit different. It does have its quick start, meaning I'm in control, or I can simply get into a program, which means the computer is putting a pre-designed program on there for you. You'll see on stride length, green, yellow, and there's an orange. The green I'll show first, and then I'll get into the yellow, and you'll see for the stride length what it's trying to accomplish. So, in order to start this machine, you'll see one leg is up and one leg is down. From here, if I just start, and I call it baseline, this is my baseline, meaning I'm just walking upstairs. Okay? Once again, this gives me a chance to acclimate to the machine, and for this machine specifically, it gives the machine a chance to adapt to what you are trying to do to it. Right now, the machine has figured out I'm just basically walking upstairs. Okay, so I'm going to actually get into a program right now. So in order to get into a program, let's say that I want to choose the performance program. I simply click the performance button. 1, 2, that's an interval. Okay, if I don't like that one, I hit performance again, and let's say I'm going to use this one. From here, I'll hit OK. Now I'm in a program. If you really want to get more detail on the screen, if I hit option, that's going to ask for your weight and your age. Once again, when I do this, it wants to get a target heart rate reading, and I can always do that by touching the metal strips. Once again, we talked 120 to 160 for a average high school age kid for beats per minute. And once I do that, you'll see under heart rate, you'll get a reading up there. So I'm in the program. Everything is good right now. And once I get moving, I'm going to move my feet a little bit. Now I'm more into, we'll say, a jog, or maybe even a skiing type motion. You'll see on this, I call it the radar, but this gets into the orange. So I'm in the orange zone. This is still pretty comfortable, and you'll see the machine will adapt. Let's say that I want to change and go back to step. You can see how the machine adapted to my range of motion again. I'm back into a stepper. No, I want to go back into a light jog. Okay? I can even get into the red zone or the orange zone, which is more of bounding. Then I can go right back to stepping. So the machine will adapt whatever you're trying to do to it. Now, if you get caught in a glitch, meaning you get stuck and you can't do it, go back to your baseline. What is my baseline? This is my baseline. You'll feel the machine will adapt. Right now I felt it. I'm in the groove with the machine. The machine has adapted to me. Now I can present a new range of motion. Okay, so once again, if I get stuck in a glitch, go back to your baseline, and it'll get you back again.